Hey, fellow masterminds, Jimmy Schwinn here. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Wanted to give you a quick update video. Did a lot of work on the site in the membership area of mastermindwebinars.com over the weekend. Wanted to go through it for you real quick. I still have not updated the getting started video. I'm going to do that. I got a couple more videos that are getting updated. One in particular I'll talk about as I go through. And then once that's updated, I will do the video. If it takes too much longer to edit it, we're covering, basically it is the Lead Recruiter Pro video, and I did about a 13-minute video going through the system that we use Lead Recruiter Pro for 𝗦𝗢𝗢𝗔𝗏𝗡𝗡, and I'm actually showing you what's going on. So we have to blur out all of the contact information. You're going to see what's going on except for their names, and we're almost done with that. So once we get done with that, then I will go ahead and update the getting started video. But again, what I would say is when you're in this back members area, just go through getting started. If you watch that video, if you didn't watch that video, watch it. But just there'll be some of the things that won't be here that I've added over the last probably few weeks since I did this video. So just follow in order. That's what you need to do. You get started, join the group where you can ask the questions, watch the website versus sales video, funnel video, so you understand the difference and why a sales funnel will convert 3 to 5 times higher per customer. Then if you have not received your free .com secret book, I really, again, recommend it. It sits in my top drawer. And then right down to the Funnel Hacks webinar. This is a great webinar. It'll give you an understanding of how to look at your competitor's best sales funnel and then how to look at their best traffic resources. It's a great webinar. So you just have to follow in order under each one of these categories, okay? So I think I went over what we've added here. I did a little renaming. I think I did a video on that. Sales funnel training, I added this video I think a week ago. I added this video, the value ladder, last week, and I'm still working on the Mastermind webinars value ladder. What I do recommend when people do a value ladder or do a funnel or anything like that is you do that in the beginning, right? But I wanted to get Mastermind webinars members area up to start helping people. So I'm kind of doing it with you, and I'm not completely done with the value ladder, but at least I go over what I've got and where I'm headed with it. So you get an understanding of what you need to do for your business. So both of these videos are really important to watch. And then going through these videos are going to give you a really good understanding of sales funnels and the components that go together with them. And you should be watching those. So over the last, I think, 10 days, these two videos have been added here. And you can see I'm adding them in order of importance. The secret formula first, then the value ladder, and there's more coming. Value ladder into sales funnel will be the next video. Marketing training, I added LinkedIn training. You can get this free book. This guy is a mastermind trainer, Josh Turner. You can get the free book back here. And you can also register for his free masterclass, 3 hours. Now, what I'm going to say here, and I'm going to be adding more and more people that I have vetted out, that I have learned from, and that I follow, that are mastermind trainers back here under marketing training. But what I'm going to say and what I'm going to warn all of my members, all the members of mastermindwebinars.com is when you get your sales funnel up and when you've got everything running and everything's been tested and it's running smoothly and now you're going to be doing marketing, you're always going to be doing email marketing, like the messaging you get from me. You're always going to be doing that. So that's something you need to learn, or you need to have a partner or an outsourced resource that's going to do it for you, okay? But you got to pick one other marketing method and perfect it. Don't get bogged down with a lot. Now, LinkedIn is great. I actually met a gentleman that is basically my assistant trainer for mastermindwebinars.com. He's with me. He helps me with everything. He's actually the one, covering the contact information in the video. And I met him through LinkedIn. Okay, I met a lot of people through LinkedIn. LinkedIn is great for B2B, and it's the best for B2B. It generates about 80% of all the leads online for B2B. Facebook is good too, but it's less than, it definitely isn't 80%. It's like, I think 10 or 15%. Don't hold me to it, but I think it's around there. But besides email, you need to pick one other method of marketing and perfect it, understand it, learn it, or outsource it. I mean, if you're going to outsource, if you have a budget and you're going to outsource many methods of marketing simultaneously, that's great. I mean, I'm going to be teaching you that as I'm turning on more traffic streams, more marketing methods for Mastermind webinars. Okay, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to actually redo this video, and I'm going to do one just for Twitter and then one just for Facebook. And then I'm going to bring in a mastermind trainer for Instagram. Now, I'm only going to do how to get targeted likes on Facebook and how to get targeted followers on Twitter. And then I will be bringing in mastermind trainers for all of those, for Twitter, for Instagram, for Facebook, for Pinterest, for any of them. But don't try to do all of that at once. You can't do it. It's impossible. Okay? It's impossible to do it. And pick, again, you've got email marketing that you need to know how to do. And then you're going to pick another one that you're going to get great at. The first one I put up here is LinkedIn, because a lot of people need that B2B lead generation. And this is a great resource for business-to-business lead generation. The best, okay? And this is absolutely the best training and book available to help you succeed with that. And you'll be seeing over the next few months, you're going to be seeing more and more marketing training coming in under here, and free, okay? Now, this is a free book. This is a free 3-hour masterclass. Of course, they do have a full paid training. Go through my link, show me the receipt. You get into other webinars. If you decide, you might just do the free book and the free training, and that's all you need. If you decide, oh, no, I want to go the next level with LinkedIn, you purchase any of those courses that they offer through my link. You send me the information, and it does give you additional perks into my live mastermind webinars where I'm doing hands-on training, right? I email out my mastermind group, which is going to be a monthly paid membership, but I also email out everybody who's in the tools under me to be able to come to these live mastermind webinars. And they're only available to members, which I haven't launched that yet. I actually go over that in here under the value ladder. But also, if you're buying any of the training or tools under me, you're going to get access to that, because I'm going to have you in the buyers list, and I'm going to send that out to you and notify you of those live webinars. Okay, so make sure that you go through my links, because I'm also giving you a massive amount of training for free from me. It's costing you nothing. And again, I will give you all the training you need to understand how to take your business from a conceptualization. Make sure there's a market there for it, right? There's a demand. Create a blue ocean around it. You don't want to be in the ocean of red ocean with competition where you're fighting over pricing and all of that. You got to create a blue ocean scenario. You're going to create your perfect dream client profiles, an avatar. We call them an avatar, but basically those who don't know what an avatar is, it's a profile. And then you're going to create your value ladder, and then you're going to take your value ladder and put it into your sales funnel, and you're going to build your sales funnel and put all the pieces together. Either you're going to do it, or you're going to outsource it, or you're going to bring a partner in to do it if you want to do this, right? If you're really going to build a business online that's going to produce profits and not losses, you got to do this. So you're going to get from me all that training under here. I promise you, I'm going to bring it all. Again, I'm running my own businesses during the days with my partners. I'm doing this at night and on the weekends, and I'll be doing the live webinars. They're going to be starting, and I'm going to be announcing those to the people that are on my buyers list, that have bought something underneath me, whether it be a training course or they're on the tools. They're going to get access to that. So you'll be seeing things again coming under here under marketing training, but I advise against getting too many. And I'm going to again show you how to get targeted followers on Twitters with a $25 software that you're getting targeters based on key phrases, the people that you want. And if you want somebody to manage your Twitter, I'm going to show you where you can get it managed for like $50 a month. And they interact with the people that like and share your Twitter posts. They do the same thing with Facebook and also. So I'll be, again, redoing. I'm going to get rid of this video, and I'm going to break it down separately into the two things that I'm working on right now, which is Twitter followers and Facebook. I'm not doing Instagram. I'm going to bring in a mastermind trainer for that, and they'll show you the ropes on that one. I can't get involved in too many things. I'm following this LinkedIn training. I've been following this LinkedIn training for a couple years, and I always have messed around with Twitter, and I've always messed around with Facebook. So what I know with Twitter and Facebook, you will learn for free from me. But when it goes beyond that, I'll bring in a mastermind trainer for it. Recommended tools, I added 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗘𝗘. This is a really important tool. It actually will flag bad clicks. So let me show you here real quick. Right now I'm tracking the mastermind webinars. I bought some funnel clicks. And as you can see, I bought 200 for about 75 bucks. As you can see, I'm getting a decent opt-in rate, but look at all the flag clicks. So I don't get charged for those clicks. Those come out of it. That's the total clicks. That's the unique clicks. That's the flag clicks. And that's the acquisitions. I've had 34 opt-ins. And it's costing me $1.26. So I'm not doing training. There's a lot of training provided by this company. They're great. I added that in there because it's very important. It's a tool that I use. So I want you to see it because I use it for a purpose. So I added it back there. And there's a couple other tools I will be adding that I'm using. So I'm using them. I'm going to show you that I'm using them and what the purpose of them are. Okay? What their purpose is instead of what their purpose are. Sorry about that. So again, I added that over the weekend. And then you've seen the training, added the LinkedIn training, added these two things last week. Recommended marketing, I'm still behind on this. I mean, I want to get these things up and done, and then I'll start concentrating. Again, I'm doing this myself. I've got my developers on other projects that are clients or partners, and I can't break them off of that. So I'm actually doing this myself. So I'm working on I'm going to probably only be able to do the top 3 to 5, and I'll be putting some like outsourcing. I'm going to give you that will be the next one. Outsourcing, where you can get the top 3 places to outsource work, because you can't do everything yourself. You got to delegate. Okay, you got to delegate. Now this is going to be very exciting, and let me get a little drink of water for y'all before I tell y'all. Okay, so if you have ClickFunnels, which is the system that I have built mastermindwebinars.com on, the front end, the middle end, and then I've got, of course, the blog. And that's built on WordPress, which I've been doing for 10 years. Been messing with WordPress. So I'm going to be putting up funnels that you're going to be able to get for free if you have a ClickFunnels account underneath me. So you're going to be able to get these funnels for free. And what I would ask you to do is email info@mastermindwebinars.com. And I'm going to work on kind of a contact up here, or like a suggestion button where you can click it. I just got to work it out and open it up and give me your suggestions, because I want to help you. Again, you're my members. I want to help you build a profitable business online. I want you to master your online business success like I have. I want you to be able to do it too. So I'm going to be putting a lot of funnels. I'm going to try to put funnels for every industry up here. 2-page funnels that give you a good start. You can go in and customize, then hook them all up, and then run with them, right? And then expand off of them. So I'm going to put them in for fitness. I'm going to put them in for wellness. I'm going to put them in for health. So what I would ask that if you need a specific funnel, that you send me what your needs are, and then I can build these funnels, these 2-page funnels, or acquire them. Because sometimes I can just buy them and be able to share them with people that are members of ClickFunnels. I'll do that in priority of what my members' demands are. So whatever or not demands, but requests. Whatever your requests are, I will build it out based on your request. My members that are back in, my mastermind members that are back in this back office, I will build it based on your priorities, okay? So please, you can also go to the group, click on the group, join the group, and tell me there. Let me know, and I'll build it out. Again, I'm building this system to help you master your online business success, just like it says right here, helping you master your online business success. This is your membership area. I'm going to be putting things back here that I know that are going to help you because I do this every day, but also I'll prioritize these sales funnels based on the needs of my members. So please, info@mastermindwebinars.com, and then I will set up that schedule based on the request, who requested this type of funnel more, and I'll do a little survey and put it in the group so the group can vote. And we've only got about 40-some people in the group, but it's growing. I mean, again, I'm not even, the only ads I got right now, even promoting mastermindwebinars.com, is the one I just showed you. When I'm ready, I'll be getting it from Twitter. I'll be getting it from Facebook. I'll be getting it from funnel clicks. I'll be getting it from solo ads. I'll be getting it from pay-per-click. I'll be getting it from pay-per-view. I'll be getting it from all over traffic, and I'll be tracking all of it through Google Analytics, seeing where the best conversions are coming from, conversions into the free membership, and then conversions into the paid membership that I will be bringing about. I'm hoping this month, but at the latest next month, but I'm hoping this month, and that's going to bring a lot of value, the live webinars, the extra additional support, and all of that to help my members get it done. Everybody can talk. Results are what gets it done, not talk. Everybody can get information. It's all over the internet. But you need the right coach, you need the right training, you need the right tools, you need the right resources, and I'm going to put them all back in here for you, and you're going to have access to them. And then, again, if you see I'm bringing value, you trust me, like a lot of people, I've helped thousands of people over the years. And I haven't even opened up yet my database as far as my personal connections in my cell phone, over 5,000 connections in my cell phone contacts and all of that. I haven't even opened them up to this yet. I want to work with the people that are in it. I want to grow it the way I want to grow it. I want to perfect it. And then I'm going to open it up more and more and more and more. And you're going to see it because I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing here. So if you're getting this video and you haven't completed your registration, what are you waiting for? It's free. I don't email you every day and bug you. I only email you to update you and give you great information. So you have nothing to lose here. So if you haven't finalized your registration, please do. And if you have, great, and start absorbing the training information and start asking questions. I want to see more questions coming from the Facebook group. I built it where I'm personally answering these questions for you. And I have a lot of information in this brain over the last 20 years, 60,000 hours that I want to share. I want to help you succeed online. I want to get your testimonials. I want you to have success stories. I'm building the testimonial success stories also for Mastermind webinars, but I'll always be doing that. I want to help you build whatever your dream is. I don't care if you're a business coach. I don't care if you're a health coach, wellness coach. I don't care if you sell perfume online. I don't care what you sell, as long as it's legitimate, or any services, as long as they're legitimate. I want to help you. I want to help you succeed. And I'm going to be putting funnels up here for network marketing. I'm going to be putting funnels up here for a lot of different things that you're going to be able to plug into just by having a ClickFunnels account underneath me. Okay? So this is my update right now, folks. I got a lot more coming in. Again, I have to work on building the back end at night, and on the weekend, Sunday is my day of rest, and I try to not break that day of rest so that I can recharge the batteries, spend time with my beautiful wife, Cindy, and enjoy myself. But appreciate you. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Have a wonderful night. Take care.